Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing, most demanding women crochet neckwarmer designs, new ideas, best top designs and ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of women crochet neckwarmer designs, beautiful patterns, knitted patterns, easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy women crochet neckwarmer designs. Stylish and trendy women crochet neckwarmers you can see in this my video. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear these very beautiful neck warmers in the birthday party or wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors, light and dark colors, beautiful color combination, contrasty, stylish ideas, beautiful ideas, different ideas. You can see every design is different one another, especially for winter seasons. Beautiful and trendy women crochet neck warmers. If you want to buy these very beautiful neck warmers, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful neck warmers online, these websites easily in very reasonable price. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.